Welcome to Tax Vidya, your guide to simple and stress-free tax learning. What you'll learn today: how to log into your CRA account, step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Go to the CRA login page. First, open your browser. Second, search CRA My Account login. Third, click the official link https://www.canada.ca. Step 2. Choose your login method. You will see two options. First, sign-in partner, online banking. Second, CRA user ID and password. Step 3. Enter your credentials. After choosing the login method, add credentials to sign into your account. First, if login using sign-in partner, you will need to select your bank and log in. Second, if login using CRA, you will need to enter your username and password. Step 4. Security verification. Enter the code sent to your email/phone and answer security questions. Step 5. Access your CRA dashboard. View tax returns, NOAs, RRSP/TFSA limits, benefits, mail, payments, etc. Thank you. For more guides, subscribe to Tax Vidya.